Sometimes I wish that I could just quit, but then the other times there's nobody better than this. Even though you never listen and you're always right, and I guess I would've never fit your type, except for that first night, the 2 kids under that moonlight. We ate McDonald's at midnight, became the best of friends. I remember our first time in Barcelona. That morning I was so hungover, I never thought that our roads led to this. So give me a kiss. Sometimes you say that I'm just too much, but then the other times feels like I give you the world and I won't give up. Oh, I never listen and I take too long, and I guess I would've never fit your song, except for that